Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we got a very excited video to make, because in this video we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Samsung Z Fold 2 5G smartphone. Now we're gonna take a look what we got inside of this box, and also we will set it up at the same time. So stay tuned. Alright guys, now first of all, let's go ahead and see side by side of this box to check what we actually have here. Back of this device, well, there's a little bit of specification which is going on right there. Now let me just go ahead and see what we actually have here. Now I will just push it in the back just like that, nice and easy. I'll take this out. Well, this is our device, okay? It is actually very cool and nice, stylish. Well, this store more like a Lamborghini store, okay? So let me just go ahead and get it open. And here we have the Samsung Z Premier Services, and here we have that little bit of information right there. Okay, so let me take this out of this screen, and this is the box. Okay, so let me see what we have inside of this box right now. Okay, so this is, the quick start guides and the paperwork. Alright, so here, I almost missed this one. Okay, so this is the SIM ejector right here. We get it all, so let me take this out as well. And this is the phone. Now, before I get to that, guys, just go ahead and take a little close look inside of what we got more other than getting this phone. Okay, so let me just take it right here. And here we have the 20-watt power adapter, which came from Samsung. So this is the cable. This is basically the Type-C to Type-C cable, okay? So we are done with the things. Now let's go ahead and get started working with our phone, okay? So let me make it a little free space here. Alright guys, now let me just go ahead and get back to the device itself. This is the phone itself, and here, as you guys can see, there's a care instruction is right here. So these are the things that you can or what you can't do is actually instructed by Samsung. Go ahead and read them all out. Now let's go ahead and just get rid of this cellophane paper. I'll just go ahead and just take this out just like that. Nice and easy. Now, and this is the phone itself. Now let's go ahead and put it up. So I'll just go ahead and press the power button right there. So let me just go ahead and press it down right here. Now while it's booting, let me just go ahead and float it itself. So here, as you guys can see, there's a display which is 6.2 inch. That's what I believe. And here is the front camera, 10 megapixel. And inside of it, you're gonna get another drop down notch. Also 10 megapixel here as well. Now let's start the Android device now. Alright, so let me just go ahead and back to the home screen from the smaller screen from here. Now let me press the power button. Now let's go ahead and start it right away. So I'll tap start from here. Now here I have read all this, agree to the terms and conditions, so I'll tap next. And use your Wi-Fi if it's available. I'll tap use Wi-Fi and tap next. Now go ahead and set up your Wi-Fi network from here. Tap connect. Tap next. Well, start checking for updates. Well, now it is asking for copy apps and data, so I'll tap done copy right now. Now go ahead and add your Google account if you have it, so I'll skip this process by now. Tap more. Now tap simply accept. Now here, protect your phone, so you simply can use face recognition, fingerprints, patterns, PIN, and password. So I'll skip it, I'll set them up later. Tap accept, do it again. Well, I'll get back to the Samsung account later. I'll skip it and tap done. Tap OK. And there you are. Okay, so this is the first screen of your Samsung Fold 2. Now here, let me just go ahead and open it up a little bit to show you inside the same things as here is going on right now. Well, this is really amazing. So there are a few different applications were already installed by Samsung. Alright guys, so this is all about your Samsung Z Fold 2 5G smartphone, and this is all about it. Okay, so I hope this video is pretty useful in terms of telling you about this phone a little bit. If you find this video useful, just let us know in the comment section and give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video guys, and we will catch you up in the next one.